Hello everyone, hope all of you are safe. This is Lopamudra Dev once again. Today in this video I am going to share some very important informations regarding 2 years B.Ed course offered by Guwahati University, which will surely benefit you. So please do watch the video till end. Today I am going to tell you something about the eligibility criteria and the rules and regulations of the examinations in the B.Ed course. Regarding the eligibility criteria, a B.Ed aspirant or a candidate who wants to take admission in the B.Ed course, he or she must have to clear 3 years degree course, that is graduation, BA, BSc or BCom, or 2 years post-graduation, MA, MSc or MCom from a recognized university with at least 50% marks. In case of reserved category, it is 45%. Do remember that for general it is 50% and for reserved category it is 45%. Along with that, a candidate must have to appear in the entrance examination conducted by Guwahati University every year, normally at the end of June or at the beginning of August. So these are something very important that you must know if you are a B.Ed aspirant. Now regarding the examination rules and regulations, in my previous videos, I already told you a candidate who will take admission in the B.Ed course, each year he needs to appear in the exam for 700 marks. That means total 1400. So to clear the B.Ed course successfully, a candidate must have to secure at least 40% marks. That means 560 out of 1400. To secure first class, a candidate must have to secure 60% marks, that is 840 out of 1400. And the candidates who will secure total marks between 550 to 839 will be declared as the candidates securing second class. So these are something important that you should know. Now something very important I am going to share with you, that suppose a candidate has secured average 40% marks in the examination. In case that particular candidate is not been able to secure 40% marks in any individual paper, in such case the candidate will be allowed to reappear in the examination next year for that particular paper as back paper. That way, every year, maximum two back papers a candidate will be able to appear for. Now, suppose a candidate has taken admission, but for any reason he or she is failed or is not been able to present himself or herself in the examination. In that case, he or she is not entitled to claim any refund of the examination fee. In that case, the candidate have to take fresh admission in the course after appearing in the entrance examination conducted by B.Ed course. Now, suppose a candidate has successfully completed the form fill up and has got the admit card also, but for any unavoidable circumstances the candidate is not been able to appear in the final examination. In such case, he or she will be allowed to appear in the examination as non-collegiate student after paying the prescribed fee by the Guwahati University. In case a candidate suppose has failed in the practical papers or in the theory papers, the candidate will be allowed to appear in the examination in the next year. In that case, that is the third year. In that case also the candidate has to pay the required amount that is prescribed by the Guwahati University city. In such case, a candidate will be allowed to appear for maximum 2 times. More than that, the candidate will not be allowed to appear. In that case, the candidate who is not been able to complete in that particular tenure, he or she will have to take admission again, fresh admission again in the course. So hope this information will be very beneficial for you, particularly those who are B.Ed aspirants, those who want to take admission in the B.Ed course. It will also benefit to those who are in continuation of the process. So please, if you like the video, please comment on the comment box. If I need to bring any kind of changes or modifications in my video, it will be very beneficial for me. At the same time, do subscribe the video, because I'm going to upload some more videos regarding the content of the various papers in the future days. So your encouragement is very required for me. So please do subscribe and share my video if you liked. Bye for now.